One random fact about koalas. Did you know that koalas have a special way of communicating with each other? They use a sound that can best be described as a cross between a snore and a burp, called a bellow. Koalas use bellows to establish their territory and to communicate with other koalas. But here's the funny part. The sound of a koala bellowing is so low and deep that it can actually make the ground vibrate. So if you ever hear a strange rumbling sound in the trees, it might just be a koala trying to assert its dominance.